What's the meaning of covariant? Covariant. Covariant.
Covariant. Covariant. Covariant refers to the property of a mathematical or physical object that changes in a predictable way when the coordinate system used to describe it undergoes a certain transformation. In other words, if we transform the coordinates of an object, the covariant quantities must also transform in a specific way to maintain their meaning and properties. For example, the components of a vector are covariant under rotations of the coordinate system. Covariant quantities are important in physics and mathematics because they allow us to describe the behavior of objects in different coordinate systems without changing the underlying laws of physics.